Namaste. I am Sunny PM, GBD, proud to be part of Modikar family since 16th August 1999. One of the sweetest chapter in my life was the time I spent working with our beloved chairman, late Sri K.K. Modiji. In 2003, when K.K. Modiji take charge of managing director of Modicare, I had the privilege to work closely with him. Those days were truly special. His vision, his humility, and his deep love for people inspired all of us. He always believed that Modicare is not just a business, but always empowered every Indian. And being with him along that phase remains one of the greatest blessing of my life. Later, when our respected Samir Modiji took over again, the same passion and a dream continued. The dream seeded by K.K. Modiji himself. Today, as I share these memories, I bow with gratitude to our beloved leader who gave us the path of Azadi. Thanking you, K.K. Modiji, for being our guiding light. Jai Bharat, Jai Modikar.